Larson Electronics has a brand new HVAC catalog that features our UV air cleaning products for occupied areas. We're making it easier for companies interested in our HVAC product line to get all the details in one place without having to visit the website and search for them. Our catalog will also make great sales materials for HVAC installers and distributors. We now offer installers and distributors the ability to sign up through our web portal to be listed in our database as an installer or distributor of HVAC systems and products for their specific area. The catalog features a variety of HVAC products such as occupied area room sanitizers, UV air duct disinfection lamps, UV air purifiers, and more. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.